viewers, I am Saiful Ahmed. I am going to give a little tutorial about wind turbine. So basically, what is wind turbine? Wind turbine is a mechanical device that is used to convert kinetic energy into electrical energy and also to grind grains and to pump water. So how an electricity is produced by a wind turbine, we are going to show you in the next slide. These are the components of wind turbine. The wind turbine contains a rotor hull, a rotor blade, a rotor shaft, a tower, and an electric control for safety precautions, and a generator, a gearbox, in order to convert the kinetic energy into electric energy. This is the diagram of a wind turbine. As you can see that the size of the blade compared to the size of the tower, and the tower, this is the size of a minivan compared to the tower. This is very small, so you can get an idea that how large a wind turbine might be. And how does it work? The kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy, but what sort of kinetic energy? The wind energy. The wind energy rotates the rotor. The rotor is then attached to the gear is attached to the generator. The generator then produces the electricity. This electricity is then supplied to the power grid. This is how it works. This is the block diagram of the circuit, and this is how it works. First, the wind rotates the shaft. The shaft is attached to the gearbox. The gearbox is attached to the generator. The generator then produces the electricity. Then electricity is supplied to the grid. And why should we use wind turbine? We should use wind turbine because it is pollution free. It is the lowest price renewable energy, and it won't produce any waste byproducts when they are producing electricity. For example, greenhouse gases or any acid rain, there will be no emission. So it is completely environmental friendly. Here comes the disadvantages of wind turbine. The disadvantages are that it might not be cost effective compared to the side of the wind site. The wind energy cannot be stored until a battery is used, and you know that changing a battery is not that much easy, because we need to dump the previous battery, and dumping of previous old battery causes environmental hazard and many pollutions. Then this whole system is expensive to store, and it causes noise pollution. And also, most important thing is that it might kill birds as it flies, and if it get hit by a rotor, the shaft, it might damage the environment and causes threat also. And lastly, the conclusion is that as the level of fossil fuel is decreasing, as we know that day by day we are consuming so much power, so the level of the fossil fuel is decreasing, so greater budgets are needed to extract it from the ground. So this might be an alternative to fulfill our lackings, fulfill our power, and also to help to build a new green environment for the future. Thank you.